Oh my god, I am so excited. I'm so excited for Ready Player One to hit theaters worldwide on 29th of March, which is only 3 days away from now. But I'm also excited for some other things, and these are, I'm going to watch it. I'm going to watch the premiere of Ready Player One, not in Germany, because here in Germany it only starts in April. But I'm going to watch it in Prague, yes, in the capital of the Czech Republic. I'm really excited about it. I've never been in Prague. It's going to be my first time. And yeah, it's going to be my first time in Prague. And I'm going to watch Ready Player One. It's going to be fantastic. But guys, I must tell you what I'm also really excited about. So if you happen to be in Prague, you can meet me there, because on 28th of March, which is Wednesday, I'm going to join the VR AR Meetup in Prague, which happens in Note 5. So if you happen to be in Prague and you want to meet me, now is your best time to meet me and to talk with me about anything VR and AR, about this channel, about anything you would love to do. I'm going to be at the VR AR Meetup in Prague on the 5th, no, not on the 5th, on the 28th of March. And I'm going to put a link into the description below. There are still like 25 seats left and it's for free. You can go there, you can meet me, we can have a beer. It's going to be awesome. And the best, you might be able to watch Ready Player One, the premiere, together with me in Prague. So I'm going to join the premiere there, and on that event, the event planner is going to give away 2 tickets for the Ready Player One premiere that I'm going to join. And well, we might be going there together. So definitely check out the event, the VR AR Meetup in Prague. I'm so much looking forward to meet you. That would be so incredible to meet some of you in real life and then in Prague, and then we might be watching Ready Player One together. I think this is really one of the most exciting things that could happen, at least in the coming week. So I'm going to put the link to the VR AR Meetup in Prague into the description below. And yeah, I'll be super happy to meet you in Prague come Wednesday. So why would I watch the premiere of Ready Player One in Prague and not in Germany? Well, as you know, I'm a huge Ready Player One fan. I can't wait to watch the movie. And well, if I would want to watch the movie in Germany, I would have to wait, because it does not launch on the 29th. It only launches in the first week of April, and it's really tough to wait longer. And I even would have to watch the movie in German language, since they dub all the movies here to German language. So I'd rather watch the English version, and in Prague they do show the English version just with Czech subtitles, but that is totally fine, and it will add to the charm of being in Prague for the first time. So that is really cool. So before I was thinking I should watch the movie probably in London. I have very cheap flights from my hometown Dortmund to London, but it was too late. The tickets were already super expensive, over 200 euro, and yeah, then I didn't want to do it. And recently I got an email from the event planners of the AR VR Meetup in Prague, and they said, hey Sebastian, do you want to come? We have a Ready Player One themed VR event, and you can watch the movie here in Prague as well. It's in English and only with Czech subtitles. And then I thought, yeah, why not? Cool. I've never been in Prague, and of course I want to watch the movie as soon as possible. I checked the flight ticket prices, and yeah, it is not expensive at all. So that's why I thought, like, okay, you know what, let's do it. And I got the tickets yesterday, so everything is very fresh. Before I was thinking, oh no, I have to wait now until April, but as it turned out, like yesterday I booked the tickets and I'm flying out tomorrow morning already. And of course, I'm going to vlog. I'm going to give you another version of MRTV on tour, directly from my way from Dortmund to Prague. I'm going to let you know what happens in Prague. I'm going to cover the VR AR meetup. There's going to be lots of interesting talks as well. There's going to be a world premiere of Somnium Space, which is an open world VR game. And yeah, I'm going to cover everything for you. And of course, I am also going to cover Ready Player One. I'm going to tell you how I feel before I go into the movie. I will not tell you how I feel during the movie, but directly when I come out of the movie theater, I'm going to tell you exactly what I thought of the movie, and I'm also going to ask the people around me what they thought of the movie. So it's going to be super interesting coverage that I'm going to bring you from Prague. So that's something that you can look forward to in the coming week. But the best would be, of course, if you would join me in Prague and if we had the chance to watch the movie together. That would be so cool. So if you are in Prague again, please do join the VR AR Meetup. There's still like 25 seats left. So check the link in the description below if you are from Prague or around Prague, or if you want to travel to Prague and to meet me on Wednesday. Okay guys, that's it now. I have to go now and pack my bags and get ready to fly to Prague. I'm so looking forward to see all of you in the Czech Republic. See you there. All right, bye. Stop, I nearly forgot to tell you one important thing. I'm going to live vlog on Instagram using stories during the whole trip. So if you directly want to be there with me, if you want to get the first reactions from the Ready Player One premiere in Prague, then do check out my Instagram profile. Simply go to Instagram and find Mixed Reality TV. Simply go and find Mixed Reality TV on Instagram. If you want to join me on the trip, I'm going to live vlog everything using Instagram stories. So do add me there. But now, really, that's it. Looking forward to see you on Instagram and of course here on YouTube. See you soon. Bye.